We will go into the next concept. What is kit? Here also we have to understand what is a kit, what is a kit type, and what is kit ID, and also we will see the examples. So anything that is ready to be given to a patient in a clinical trial. For example, there is a patient. Okay, there is a patient. This is a patient, and he came to the site where research is happening. This is one patient, and this is one patient. He came to the site where research is happening. Once we enroll a patient into a treatment, once we decide to which treatment group the patient goes, based on the treatment group, we have to give some medicines, or it can be a device, or it can be a surgical technique, or there is one more name called sham. So we will look all those things, but we have to give him a medicine or give her a medicine. The medicine which we give to him it can be a box. Okay, it can be a simple box, or it can be a strip like this, or it can be a bottle like this with cap. So anything that is given to the patient, that is ready to be given to the patient, and when the patient, or here we should not call him as a patient, here we should call him as subject. When subject comes to the clinical site, so we hand over a bottle, or we hand over a vial, or a syrup, or something, the product, the finished product, final product that is given to the patient is called kit, and we give the name to the kit. So whether it is a placebo kit or active kit, or it can be any name, you can give any name to the patient. The RT system should be flexible to give any name. So the name given to the group of kits that are given to the patient is known as kit type. Okay, then what is kit ID? Every kit in the clinical trial is given, for example, this one is given a ID. Okay, that we call as kit ID. If another patient comes, we give one more bottle, that will have a different ID, or we give one more strip that will contain a different ID. So each kit in that is given to a subject when he comes to the site will have an ID. That ID is known as kit ID. So then we go into the important part, that are what are different kinds of kit. There are different parameters to classify kits. This is one of the top parameter. So other parameters can be based on the blinding, kits can be classified. There are a lot of parameters which we look into that later during the concept of blinding, but as of now you need to understand what is bulk kit and what is discrete kit. See, in the previous slide we have discussed that there will be a kit type and there will be a kit ID. Okay, now we discuss about discrete kit and bulk kit. These are two different kits we use in the clinical trial. This is a higher concept. So I told there is a bottle. Okay, there is a bottle, and we give it a name, maybe AB001. When every kit has an ID associated with it, that is called discrete kit. Okay. We can use the kits in the clinical trials and it will not have an ID. There is no ID here. Okay, then this is called bulk. The important thing you need to consider while giving the bulk is every bulk kit should be associated with a lot ID. Lot ID or lot. So when we are discussing about discrete kits, we discuss about kit ID. When we are discussing about bulk kits, we discuss about kit type and lot ID. Kit type and lot ID constitutes bulk kit. Kit ID constitute for discrete kits. So there are a lot of advantages and disadvantages of each. There are advantages and disadvantages of using discrete kits, and also there are advantages and disadvantages of using bulk kits. So at appropriate times, in the appropriate scenarios, we use either discrete kits in a clinical trial, or in a particular study we can use discrete kits, or we can use only bulk kits. We can use both the combination of bulk kits and discrete kits. So here I have given that discrete kit can be blinded and open label. Just remember, when we go to the concepts of blinding and open label, you understand. And bulk kits can be only open label. This you have to remember the important things. And going to the examples, you can see always discrete kit will have a kit type and kit ID. Bulk kit will have kit type and lot ID. Okay, this is for bulk kit and this is for discrete kit.
ClinGenius Research.